Hello! I don't know if you could hear me, but I'm at the beach. We walked a lot of stairs. I slipped a couple of times. I shook. And we are at Laguna Beach, I believe. And it looks really pretty. I really like it. It rained last night. So, yeah. I had work yesterday, so it's a good break day for everyone. Most of my roommates came and they are out taking pictures right now. I am in the sand on guard for the snacks. Right here. Because seagulls have no shame. But, yeah. Let me show you my roommates from afar. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Literally they're on different positions like But look at the beach. It's really pretty. What in the world? And it's really blue. More clearer than the beaches I've been to. Ah, look at my feet. Look at this. It's cold! Half of my shorts are wet and it was fun playing in the water though. Those are my other roommates right over there. Like, look at this. Oh, it's not reaching far enough. Oh, wait. So pretty. Look at this, like white. Look at the bubbles. But yes, like look at this. Like, what in the world? That is like really pretty. Wow, but that's really pretty. Oh, look at my hair tie. Or it's barely there. But it's there. But wow, it's like super pretty. Oh, my friend's swimming back. Ah!